If you're replacing your oil return tubes, the first step is to jack up the car, drain the oil, and remove the heat exchangers. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. The expandable oil return tube kit is designed specifically to replace worn-out tubes and seals that were installed the last time the motor was assembled. The kit contains 2 rubber seals that fit on the end of each tube, in addition, 2 seals that mate the tubes together, a large circlip, and the 2 tube halves. The tube is shown with the proper seals installed and the proper location of the circlip prior to the assembly. Removal of the old tubes is easy. Just grab them with some large channel locks and pull them out. You don't need to worry about damaging them. You're going to throw them out once you remove them. The trick with getting the collapsible return tubes installed is getting each end compressed into its respective location, whether it be the engine case or the cam towers. Make sure to lubricate the seals in the return tubes or you'll never get them to expand. I like to use a hose clamp, actually 2. Simply tighten both hose clamps around the tube and then use a screwdriver to pry the tubes apart. Keep expanding and moving the hose clips, and eventually you will get the tubes seated. Once you can slide the circlip into its groove, you know the tube is fully expanded. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.